Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you'd replace the mass airflow sensor. This mass airflow sensor is right here. Easy access on the very top of your engine, or the top of the air cleaner here, the engine. So we got to disconnect the electric. Generally just got to push the clip down, get it to unlock, and just push it back. Then we got two screws here. They're just regular Phillips P2 to be removed, and then just rock it out and pull it out. Right there's the sensor. Do not touch it. There are cleaners that they make to clean it, but they generally don't work very well. So just get you a new mass airflow sensor and put a new one in. You would just take your new one, push it down. There's an O-ring up here. I want to make sure that that space is clean, and then you just push it in, put the screws back in, make them good and snug, not crazy tight. This is just a plastic, so you don't want to tighten it too tight. Then just go ahead and put the electrical connector back, make sure it makes that snap noise, and that's good to go. If you fail and you forget to connect this, you're going to have codes that are going to go off and your engine won't run properly because it's sensing that you've got lean or not lean, and it'll make your fuel economy go down. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.